Hi guys, there's now a new task that Hamster Kombat just added, which is called the Hamster Cipher game. I don't know, something like that. So with this, you're just going to be pressing some things and you're going to get like 1,000,000 coin per day. It's different from the Hamster daily coin daily combo card. Okay, this is different. This one you don't have to do anything, you just tap on your screen. That's all. So let me teach you guys how to get it started. So first of all, you have to tap on this end per tap. I hope you guys can see that at the top left corner of my screen. I don't know where it's going to show on yours. Okay, so we're going to click on that end per tap 3 times, guys. 1, 2, 3. You have to be a bit fast about it. So then it's going to change your dashboard to this reddish stuff. Now you have to be fast and precise. Now the first thing we are going to press is dash dot dot. You guys are going to see the dash scrolling up. But then how you are going to get the dash is by doing something we call long tap. So instead of the normal tap that we tap when you are tapping your screen to get your coin, it's going to be a long tap. You are going to hold the tap before you now release it. That's what is going to give you that dash. Okay, if you make a mistake, just close your Hamster Kombat and start all over again. It is allowed. So yes, now I'm going to now do the dash for you guys to see. Let me show you guys the dash. This is dash. I'm going to, you see, can you guys see the dash? So you have to be very fast. Now it's gone, you know, it's been a long time now, so it's not going to count for me again. So let's start again. I just use that to show you the dash. Then you just have to hold on the tap for some few seconds, let's say 2 seconds, then you release it. That's going to give you the dash. Then for the tap, the dot, that one just normal tap, just tap it once. Okay, I hope you guys are getting. So now what we are going to do now, we want to write BTC, and to write B with this cipher, whatever that they just started, daily cipher, to write B, it has to be dash dot dot. So we now have to be fast about it, so it knows we are writing B and it will not be counting it separate. Okay, so now here we go, guys. So dash dot dot dot, that's B. Can you guys see that? It's just so easy. Then when we want to write T, we are writing BTC, don't forget. So to write the T, we are now going to we are going to long tap just 1 time. That's our T, just like that, guys. Then to write our C, what we are going to do is we are going to do the dash dot, then dash dot. Remember, we have to be a bit fast so that it won't take it separate. We know we are trying to write C. So dash dot. So long press tap, period. So let's get started. Long press tap, and that should write that C. So we are going to take our prize. That's it, guys. Let me know if you enjoyed the video, if you are able to do yours, and until I come your way next time, bye.